by earning 5 points for every fruit or vegetable eaten. It's a fun-filled quest where nutrition meets excitement. All of the digital details are at superfoodparents.com for the full experience. Superfood Parents has also created workbooks, where you'll discover the tools you need for success. These workbooks give you the heroic strategies to craft your grocery list like a seasoned hero. Which means you now have a playbook to even track your weekly meals like a true champion. And engage in mind-bending nutritional education with word searches that will keep your family entertained and informed. So, are you ready to join the ranks of the Superfood Parents? Are you prepared to unleash the power of faith and make every meal a heroic endeavor? If so, flip the page of the Superfood Playbook and let's begin your journey to becoming the ultimate superfood hero.
To become a sponsor, just visit superfoodparents.com.
Shout out to Raw Food Trap.
Yeah, you with your family, man. I told you we're going to bring you in quarterly to make sure all our investments are up to par. Get some inside information.
Get these consultations, as he said.
I mean, we're going to get some tips and some pointers. You got no inside information. They like Martha Stewart up for that. White women can't get away with it. Nobody can.
What did he say?
She had some friends who told her some shit one night at a party, and she moved some money around, and she wasn't supposed to do that.
Yeah, right. Just lose the money like everybody else. Made more money after that too. She went crazy.
I love her, bro. She's so freaky.
What?
How you know? She freaky though. You didn't see the post where she was talking about how they came and installed her pool. Oh, this shit legendary. It don't sound nothing like no goddamn.
Alright YouTube, here it is, the ultimate pipe cleaning guide. No mess, no bags, no microwave, no boiling on the stove, nothing like that. Very simple, very effective. Really like this method. First you want to seal off the bowl and any other holes that there might be on the pipe, like carbs or anything like that. I'm using electrical tape. You don't have to, but it works very well. It doesn't leak if you wrap it correctly. And most people have it laying around, but I've used saran wrap in the past and other things. But anyway, you want to completely seal off the pipe like I'm doing here. I'm going to speed it up just a bit here. And next we're going to grab some kosher salt. Just press that in, make sure everything's all sealed off. I'm going to use kosher salt here. You don't have to. If you just have regular salt laying around, you can use that too, but kosher salt's a more effective scrubbing agent. You don't want it completely packed full. You want room for your solvent as well, which we'll add in a second here. If you end up with too much salt in there, knock just a little bit of it back out. I'm using 100% pure acetone. You can also use nail polish remover, rubbing alcohol, but pure acetone is the best. It works like magic. Same thing as with the salt. You don't want it completely full of acetone. You want some air in there, maybe about 20%. You want your cleaning solution to be able to move freely and move around. So leave a little bit of air in there. We're going to finish sealing off the pipe and make sure it's completely sealed up and tight. And then you're just basically going to shake, 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 shake. If you clean your pipe on a regular basis, you can get away with like 2 or 3 minutes and it'll be clean. If it's really funky, I've had to shake it up to 10 minutes before. So it just depends on how much how much use the pipe has gotten. We're going to shake, shake, shake. Also, I just want to make a little note. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube where people are putting like alcohol and salt into a bag, and they're kind of missing the point. The whole point of the salt is that it doesn't dissolve in the solvent, so it remains a good scrubbing agent, and you want that on the inside of the pipe. That's why I like sealing it off like I do in this method. You also notice I already have the water running before I rinse it out, because you want it to be nice and hot when you use it first. You don't want to have to wait for that to heat up. I'm going to manually scrub out the bowl here, because usually you're going to have a couple bits and pieces left in there. It doesn't get a lot of flow, but the insides are already perfect. I'm going to give it one little quick rinse with some acetone one more time, just to get rid of anything that may have redeposited on the inside of the pipe when you put the water in there. Give it one more hot water rinse. Make sure you have all the residue out. It's just clean water. Dry it off.